The Storm, series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Bridgedock. It's a book by Oxford Reading Tree. Wilf and Wilma came to play. Wilf and Wilma came to the house. They came to play. The children went outside. They climbed the tree. They looked in the tree house. "What a mess," said Biff. Dad helped the children. He mended the roof. Biff and Wilma mended the door. Chip and Wilf painted the treehouse. Wilf painted the door. Chip painted the walls. The treehouse looks good. The children put things inside. They had a party in the treehouse. It was bedtime. Biff was in her room. Biff looked outside. There was a storm. It was time for school. Wilf and Wilma came. "What a storm," said Mom. The wind blew. The rain came down. "What a storm," said Mrs. May. It was time to go home. The mums and dads came. "What a wind," they said. "Oh no," said Biff. The tree was down. "What a mess," said Kipper. The children climbed on the tree. Floppy barked and barked. Floppy found something. It was a box. Everyone looked at the box. Mom opened it. They found a key inside. Chip wanted the box. He put it in his room. The end. Thank you for watching the video. If you are my returning subscriber, thanks a lot, guys. And if you're here for the first time, don't hit to subscribe and hit the like button. And also do remember to comment in the comment section. Do tell me any other books that you want me to read for you, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Till then, take care. Bye.